Hey folks, welcome to Module 3. This week we're going to be focusing on the second element of poetic structure, which is meter. You can think of meter as the beat and rhythms of a poem. It will also tend to emphasize certain words. We're going to begin by talking about how we identify the meter, and then we're going to talk about one of the constituent units, which is the poetic feet. You could think about these as measures in music or as units of meter if you want to stay within poetry. We're also going to look at one of the most famous and influential types of poems in the English language, the sonnet. We'll study the Petrarchan and English sonnet as well as non-traditional sonnets. This week, you're also going to be doing some work with MLA format. This is just to set the expectations and foundations for formatting work in the English discipline. You probably learned a lot of this in your last composition class, and so a bunch of this will be review. But if it isn't, the information you need is here. We're going to talk about academic honesty and plagiarism, particularly why plagiarism is a problem, which is an especially important topic to cover in the age of AI generative chatbots. And to round things out, we're going to look at Essay 1, which will be due in a few weeks, but I want to make sure you understand what assignment you're working toward. As always, you have a discussion board due. Remember, the post should be due by Tuesday or Wednesday this week, since we're getting a little bit of a late start. And the response should be due by Friday. Remember, the post should be about 40 minutes of work and at least 300 words long. And you will need 2 peer responses, each one representing 10 to 15 minutes of work and being at least 100 words long. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop by my office hours, and I hope you're having a great day.